Hey guys, happy Christmas Eve. Woo! It is December 24th. But yeah. I literally slathered like Vaseline all over my lips and like on top of my lips. So hopefully I don't look too crazy. But nasty. I thought I had gifts for everybody, but now I'm like, is that enough? So we'll figure it out. They didn't have the ornament I wanted, but I ended up getting another ornament that kind of looks like Miley and a bunch of stuff throughout my presents and stuff. Ah, my lips. Oh. Y'all, I am such a flop. I spent an hour waiting for Filipino food that never came. I was trying to go shopping. I didn't. Now I'm here for Nate's party. A house that has all these lights. That's so cool. Go to Cupcake, say hi. Just now starting to edit. Also, look how cute my earrings are. Very Christmassy, very festive. Cannot believe. 2 more days left of Vlogmas. Hey y'all, it is Christmas now. It's basically almost 2 o'clock. My phone's on 4%, so I need to go. Thank you for watching Vlogmas Day 24. Merry Christmas, y'all. Hey guys, I know I am posting this video a day late, but that's just because I was so busy on Christmas. I had a lot of stuff going on with family, like just getting ready, and just because it's Christmas. And I did not edit the night before because I was tired and I had to go to sleep so Santa could come. But yeah, thank you for watching.